If you are wondering if we have Spotify on a Redmi Watch 6, then the answer is unfortunately no. There is no Spotify installed on the watch. If we open the list of apps by pressing the crown, then over here we have this list of apps. So here you can see all apps that we have installed. And unfortunately, we cannot get new apps on the watch unless you have the watch from China. Apparently, Chinese Redmi Watch 6 can actually install apps. But still, what you can do is you can control music if you use Spotify on your phone. So over here, for example, I have Spotify. There is a song being played right now. And I can either tap on this music icon that I have at the top in order to open the music player, or I can go to the apps list and find the music app in here. There we go. And I can easily control songs here. So I can skip to the next song. I can go back to the previous one. I can pause. I can adjust the volume as well. So here, as you can see, we have the knob, which we should be able to use to increase or decrease the volume. So yeah, while we do not have Spotify on the watch, we can still control Spotify that you have on your phone with your watch. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.